Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on my life on a hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe. So this is my sister's book, The Bear Pantry Show. You could go and follow her there, and I am going to be doing her recipe. And I'm getting my organic flour, and instead of sugar, I am using honey. And I try to make things as healthy as possible. Sometimes it's kind of hard because sugar is sugar, but in this case, I did the honey and the kids were fine with it. Um, I love that, you know, I, okay, so I try my best to cook organic and eat organic, but some things just I haven't found, like for example, the baking powder. I think they have them on Amazon, but I haven't ordered them yet. And of course, I get my coconut milk, which is also organic. These are things I still had in my pantry before the lockdown and of everything. And it's just still hard to find stuff. I haven't been to the grocery store yet to see what they have. I still have to go to Costco. Well, I shouldn't say I had stuff to keep me by. And I got this from Costco. I don't like buying anything with salt in there, but I can't find the one without salt anymore at Vaughn's. And I'm just following the ingredients that was given to me through my sister, so I'm not really telling you how many I put in. I'm just following that, except for the sugar. And I use my KitchenAid just to blend everything because, guys, I don't like putting my hand in that right there. I don't like the feeling of it. But when it finally gets to a dough, I would work with it that way. If I have to, I have to, but if I have if I have my cake, well, this mixer I got for cake, and I love it. I use it for everything, and so I have the dough attachment right there on for it, and I just take it out on my clean counter, which I sprinkle with a little bit of flour, and cut them up in pieces. I made them smaller and rolled them in a ball. So yeah, I haven't been to Costco since everything happened, and I'm hoping, because I normally get my organic meats from there and organic veggies and fruits if I could find it. And so we'll be hopefully going Monday to see what I can find. And these are all the rolls that I ended up getting for the Johnny cake. And it's, this is the oil that I'll be using to grease my pan. This is a pizza pan, you guys. And so I just roll it out a little bit with my cake fondant roller right there, and I'm rolling it out, and then I press it down just to show you how thick. It depends on how thick you want it. My husband likes it thin and dark, and just for decoration, you kind of put the little holes up top. And this is a Belizean food, something we eat, and you could just cut it in the middle, and you could put, and these are leftovers because I don't want it to get spoiled. And this is what I put on my pizza tray and put it in my oven and cook it for for me, as long as the brownness that I want, so that I don't dry it out. So sometimes when I have a few dough and I run out of stuff, I use my the one that sits on top of my counter, and I use that, and I think it does like 1, 2, 3, about 6 of them, and that's good enough to last like a day, so I don't have to preheat the oven and do all that stuff. And this is what it looks like when it's done. My husband likes it smaller, thinner, and you could put inside butter, cheese, jam, cream cheese. But anyways, when products are limited in your home, that's what you got to do. I ran out of bread, so I did this. Bye bye now.